Yeah, right now we're in dynamic mode and there's like an overpass coming through. Ready for this? Chewbacca. School. So yeah, this is what happens when you park on the driveway outside with no cover. You get shit like this. That's a bird doodle on my car, which I'm gonna have to get this clean. I clean this like maybe twice a week or so, which I barely drive the car, but due to the fact that I'm always getting some bird shit, like check the rims, yo. It's freaking dirty. I just got this clean like a couple days ago, and yeah, I'm gonna get an upgrade on the rims though. Yo, let's get a cold start one time. Yeah, that's a comfort cold start. So we're about to go get some food and then see what the day has for us. Alright, you don't know. I launch control. Woo! Downshift on deck. So yo guys, if you in Scarborough and you're looking for like a good restaurant, not too expensive, like a jerk restaurant, I'll actually recommend Negro's Jerk Heart. This spot is pretty good. Mondays to Friday they do have lunch specials between 11 and I believe 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. I'm not too sure, but I mean I ain't getting paid to promote this restaurant by any means. Y'all should probably check it out. It's a good restaurant. I recommend it. It says 4.5 stars. I give it 5.5. I don't know. C43 or C53? 43 on deck. Let's get this one time. Let's go. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Sheesh. Let's go. Sheesh. It's playtime, baby. Hey. Let's go. Yo, check this traffic, yo. It's a freaking Sunday. Beautiful fucking day. And you got bare traffic, yo. Man's about to hit Scarborough one time. And you got traffic on.
Starting up with the beat. Dripping like a faucet, stopping with the gossip. Y'all been switching on me. You ain't riding, left and take my time, and it's gonna be alright. But without me, where will you be? Getting money, niggas wanna shop it.
Ah, yo, we just got back at the grill jerk. So we got rice and peas with some barbecue chicken and some oxtail gravy. Shit is lit. Like, you know what I mean? Like 100% some bomb ass food out here. For real, for real, for real. What up, yo? The moment you guys been waiting for. Like I mentioned to you earlier in the video, my car got hit on my driveway. I know, unfortunate situation, but for some of you who've been watching my channel, I've had this car for about a little bit over 2 months, and it's sad to say, but I got into my, well, not me, but it got into its first accident, which is in the front. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna be showing you guys in a bit. So yeah, let's get it. So let's get it. Over there, guys. There we go. You see the headlight? Like, I still got some broken pieces. Like you see, right there. The headlight, the hood. I mean, it got, like, you know, dent. So there, it's like, you know, it's backed into it. So once I get it to the body shop, they're gonna have to, like, pretty much fold that back up, and then this has to get repainted. Same here, that gets a little bit dented. But that's I mean, I was lucky. That's the only place that got into the accident. So what happened was, my neighbor, he parks on his driveway. He's always like horizontal to my car. So I'm gonna show you guys a picture on exactly where he parks. So he parks horizontal and my car is vertically parked. So when he was backing up, he backed up into my car. He has a truck, right? Obviously it can't be like a sedan that hit my car. It's a truck, and he's the only person next to me with the truck. So pretty much he backed up into the car, and which I confronted him about it, but you know how it is. You know it's gonna be expensive to get this fixed, and I wouldn't want to take this with the insurance. I don't want to get any claim, so I'm gonna be getting this fixed by myself. I got quoted 2,500 Canadian to get it fixed. Just the headlight, because I do want the OEM headlights. I ain't trying to put no aftermarket headlights. It's gonna be ugly with the OEM headlights. So with the OEM headlights, it's about, I believe, 1,200 and some change plus HST. So yeah, that's what I got quoted for, 2,500 with labor included. So I mean, it's sad to say, but I gotta get this fixed. Now the car is pretty dirty. I can't get it washed or get it detailed because of this scenario, right? But yeah, sad there, man. on a beautiful day. It's really sad to see. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, put that thumbs up. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Like, it means a lot. Just remember, just I need those, the watch time, you feel me? Like, right now I have to go out of pocket, to go fix my car. So I appreciate every single one of you guys. But yeah, remember to put that thumbs up, alright, and subscribe. Alright, you don't know, eh? Yalla.